Hi parents, I have slightly more difficult CVC words for you to work on with your child. These are CCVC, so consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant words. They're somewhat related to the pull downs that you've been working on. This set has 8 different sets, or mats as they're called. There we go, mat. This is mat 1. As I said, there are 8 of them. This is mat 8. So on this page, let me just show you here. Let me get the word out here for you. So for this page, you take your master copy here, and you cut these out, and then you put down or glue the letters that go there. Crab. This page has mats 1 and 2. So you do the crab, spot, frog, nest, and sand. And then mat 2 has these ones here: drum, trap, and then here going vertically we've got flag, fish, and belt. As you notice, some of the words aren't CCVC, some of them are CVCC, like nest, sand, fish, and belt. So that's how you do page 1. On here, on this page, is the cheat sheet for parents or for kids to double check their work. Some of the pictures can be a little bit vague. Like, for example, you might think it says dog, but the little arrow is there to help you see that it's pointing at a dot or a spot in this case. I know for this one threw me off. I tried to figure it out before I looked at the word. I was like, bucket, no, pail. It must be pail. And then I finally saw the little arrow. Then I'm like, sand, of course, sand. So anyway, this is your cheat sheet to help you make sure that your kid's spelling the words right. And finally, you have a spell checker list. So once the kid is really good at doing the pull down-esque sort of activity or putting the words in order, they can either use it to copy their words and put it here. That's called scribing. So they look at the word and they copy it. Or if your kid has put on their smarty pants for the day and they're really figuring things out well, you just have them write the mat number. Say they're doing mat number 1. Here, this one, mat number 1. You can have them spell the word cold, crab, spot, and frog, nest, and sand. If they can sound those words out, that would be fantastic. Anyway, just thought I'd show you briefly how to use this activity.